to Dan and Flip Microphone. We will be taking a look at this Arctic cat right here. She's a little 440, a 91. So we got crank on it. Customer dropped it off. I like the little saddlebags on it and the double seat. I'm not a big fan of the two-seaters here, but a lot of people like them. It does have reverse and electric start. So let's check out and see what we got. Okay. So she's just a little two-cylinder. They told me that they are not getting fuel. So I'm gonna check the carbs and try to do some fuel supply issues and give it a couple tests and see what we got. Mother cracker. So there's the fuel line. Nothing through the fuel system. Let's see. Open this down. This is pretty much exactly what I thought would happen. They said they put a coat hanger in this end to try to clear the tube. Well, the problem with that is at the end of this tube, there's like a screen, and this tube goes down the gas tank. If this isn't sitting in gas, you're not going to get any gas. So this tube goes into the gas tank right here. So now there's going to be a piece of tubing down in this bad boy. And this bad boy, you got to do a lot to get that little fricker out of there. Looks like it's one solid cover piece. Get that thing off. Oh, there's a beer cap right here. That old beer cap out of there. But yeah, this is the problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to hook this line up to this little gas tank right here. Fill it with gas. Hook it up and see what happens. Okay, now people, just for test purposes, I have this old little gas tank right here. And I hooked it up to where the fuel line runs in right there. So I'm going to pour some true fuel into that gas tank. And we're going to see if we can get this thing to fire up or get some gas down to the carburetors. So it looks like we're getting some gas down there now. Very, very simple fix. Very, very simple. Now I wonder if we're out of gas. Oh yeah, pretty much out of gas. It's not leaning anymore. But I can tell now the carbs are at least getting some gas to them. See how warm our plate is. Not that warm yet. Go for another rip. Pretty sure I got it diagnosed. I have to go get some parts and throw it all back together. But for today, we did a pretty dang good job. I am Flippin' Mike. I will see you on the next video. Thank you for coming and checking my channel out. Please leave a like, subscribe, and remember, have your pet spayed and neutered. This is Flippin' Mike. I'm out of here.